Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the OneState RP mod menu for free. This mod works on both iOS and Android devices, and it unlocks all the best hacks and unlimited resources inside the game. With this OneState RP mod menu, you'll get access to God Mode, unlimited money and coins, full oxygen, unlock all features, and so much more. As you can see on screen, everything is fully functional on both iOS and Android. Before you start, make sure your OneState RP game is updated to the latest version. To check, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, you're ready to go. Now, head down to the pinned comment below. I've explained step-by-step where you can safely download the OneState RP mod menu. Follow the instructions there, and you'll have the mod installed in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.